Shigeki. We use it for new experiences, spicy food, and in explanations for medicine or cosmetics. It also appears when talking about a mood change or motivation. 刺激、新しい体験やスパイスの強い料理、薬や化粧品の説明でよく出てきます。気分を変えたいときや、やる気の話でも使います。It is a noun, and shigeki means something from outside that makes the body or mind respond, often giving excitement or motivation, and sometimes provoking a reaction. 外からの働きかけで体や心が反応すること、やる気や興味を起こさせるもの、時に相手を煽る行為も指します。The first kanji means to pierce or prick. You meet it in the verb sasu and in the food word sashimi. It feels sharp and pointy. Think of a needle touching skin. The second kanji means intense or violent. It shows up in the adjective hageshi and the noun kamgeki. It carries a sense of strong change and emotion. Picture waves crashing hard. This game was a great inspiration for me. このゲームは私にいい刺激になった。このゲームは私にいい刺激になった。Spicy curry is very irritating to the tongue. 辛いカレーは舌に刺激が強い。辛いカレーは舌に刺激が強い。I was inspired by the ideas of my new friends. 新しい友達の考えに刺激を受けた。新しい友達の考えに刺激を受けた。The lotion is gentle on the skin. 化粧水は肌に刺激が少ない。化粧水は肌に刺激が少ない。The most common synonym of the word is koufun, which centers on excited emotional arousal. It overlaps when shigeki raises energy or thrill. Koufun does not always mean an external cause or a spur to action. The most common antonym of the word is chinsei, which focuses on quieting and reducing reactions, the opposite of shigeki, causing a response or raising intensity.